Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavan Sway. Today I am going to make nuchina unde. For that I have taken here quarter cup of each moong dal, tur dal and chana dal. It is soaked for 2 hours. Now along with this you have to drain this water completely and grind to a coarse paste along with 2 strands of curry leaves, coriander leaves, green chili. I have taken 3 green chili. This is very less spicy one. According to your requirement, spicy requirement, you can add the green chili and a quarter teaspoon black pepper, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon asafoetida, that is hing. Now we will drain this water and grind to a coarse paste this. Then afterwards you have to add salt and grated coconut in it. I am not adding coconut, I am avoiding it. Then you have to make a round ball or an oblong shape unde and steam cook the same and serve it along with the majjige huli, which is getting prepared here. I will post the majjige huli recipe also separately. It is really a healthy one. So we are adding hing powder and cumin and pepper in it, curry leaves and all, because the dal will give you a little bit trouble, like gas trouble or bloating you must be having. Some people will have. So for that we are adding the hing powder, cumin, black pepper, etc., curry leaves, etc., which will help in digestion. Now let us grind this to a coarse paste. I have kept this for draining the water. First we will grind these things together, then we will put the dal in it. I have ground the dal. Now adding salt, generous pinch of asafoetida. Now I have to mix this well. I have mixed this well. Now I am making the unde. I am making the oblong shape. You can also make round shape. Now we'll cover this and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now with this dough we can make something else. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some onion in this and little cabbage, carrot, etc., and little rice flour, and I'll deep fry them like vada. Half onion, little bit of carrot, little bit of cabbage. Now we'll mix this with the nuchina unde dough. Mix them well and make small vadas and deep fry them. Because my children won't eat this nuchina unde, so this is the way to make them to eat this. So I have made a twist in this. I have made a small ball out of this and now just flatten this like this and put it in the oil and deep fry like the vada. Dal vada we make it, or like this also you can deep fry this and you can put it in the curry to make curry pakoda. You can also add suwa leaves in this, that is shepu, dill leaves. It is quite healthy. Now the variation you can make. Now let us check the nuchina unde, whether it is cooked or not. If you test them, if it doesn't stick to your hand, then it is cooked, or you can check with a toothpick or knife. Yes, it is cooked. Now we can remove this. The nuchine unde with majjige holi is ready here to serve. This is my black tea without sugar. So this I am serving as an evening snacks. The vada is also getting ready here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. While preparing the vada, if you want, you can add a little bit of a teaspoonful of rice flour also in this. I didn't add. Actually in this we have to add coconut. I have omitted that. While preparing the nuchine unde, I have to add coconut, grated coconut, fresh coconut, which I have omitted. When you prepare it, you do add the grated coconut in it. It will give an extra flavor and taste to the unde. Another variation to this dish is you can just cut it like this and shallow fry them with little onion. Temper it with mustard seeds and urad dal. Then add some onion, vegetables like beans, carrot, and cabbage, etc. and put them. And if you wanted to give a Chinese flavor, little bit of soya sauce and red chili sauce you can add. A little bit of garlic, etc. That is another variation with this you can make. So our vada is also ready here. The steamed nuchine unde is cut like this into small discs, and I am going to fry this because I made the fried ones, they liked it, so I am frying this also. My children want this way, so remaining nuchine unde I am just deep frying. The fried nuchine unde is ready. So with one dish, how many variations you can make, just see. Now if it is remaining, you can make upma out of this, and or some with vegetables like beans, gawar, like that you can cook them and temper with this steamed nuchine unde. Just break it or just put it in the mixer and just pulse it for a minute, so you will get a crumbled one that you can add to the vegetable. We call it usli, beans usli or gawar usli. In that you can use it.